I need to change a fan. Usually changing a fan's pretty easy, but in this case, the fan is way up there. I have a regular old 8-foot ladder. No, it's like a 6-foot ladder. I might could spin the blades with. I also borrowed a 10-foot ladder, which still doesn't get me up there. So that leaves me with 3 options. I could pay somebody to come and change it. I could rent scaffolding, or what if I buy a bunch of 2x4s and I build my own scaffolding? Might not be saving me much money, but at the end of the project, I'll still have a bunch of 2x4s. I bought 24 2x4s, which is $100 worth of 2x4s. And then I have just some of the scrap 2x4s and 2x8s and other plywood I've had from other projects, just in case I need some bracing. Let's see if we can do this thingy, whatever it was I just said. These are 15 feet long. It seems like that's going to be tall enough. So let's make 2 of these. Let's see if this reaches. Oh my God. This is going to be heavy. Okay, that's gonna be tall enough though. So I need 2 of those, and then I need to stand it up and connect it together. How wide do you think it needs to be? That couch is gonna be in the way. I'm gonna lay this down and make a second one of these. I need help. I'm stuck. Just go grab that side, and then we just need to walk it down. Luckily I'm tall, so I don't need a ton of rungs. This is my initial. I just want to see if I can get to the base of the fan and that it feels stable. Oh yeah. I could take the blades off, which is what I want to do first. Let's get up to this one and see how stable that feels. Okay. I mean, I'll need to go a little higher to get to the ceiling. I'll stabilize it a little bit more before I do that. And actually, once this is off, I can slide this underneath there. All right, it's gonna work. Do I need what? The problem is, oh, if I fall, who knows which way I'm gonna go. So like, I'd better just to ride down the fan or something. I added 2 more rungs, but I did attach that little bar right there just for some more stabilization and so I could put stuff on and not have to carry it while I climb. Fan, let's do wide. I think it's recording and I think it's showing stuff. What I want to do, wait, how do you get to that? Let's just start taking this thing apart, see what it looks like. Probably could pull that pin and the whole thing would fall to the ground. That lets me get to this, does it? Oh, look at that. Would you look at that? Let's take this off. Pretty sure if I pull that pin, this whole thing falls. Can you see that? I need help. I need to cut that. Oh look, I can rest on here. Will you bring me a pair of scissors? What's on my head? Why are my sunglasses on my head? Fuck. That makes it look farther than it is. My hand is probably 18 inches from hitting those screws. So if I go up one more 18-inch rung, I can get that. But I'm gonna put something up there too. I got the old fan down. Ta-da! Old fan is down. Let's figure out the new one. We're replacing that fan with I always called it Vevor, but other people call it Vevor. What is it? Tell me. The reason I got the Vevor was because it was the cheapest big fan I could find. And you might be thinking, well, this was a pain in the butt. Why would you get a cheap one to replace? And that's because even the expensive stuff is pieces of crap nowadays. The key is, can I install the blades up there? And I'm gonna say yes. This one might not hang down low enough. I might have to use the bar for the other one. Can these be like daisy chained? No. Ooh, and look, this is cool looking. It's like wooden. Yeah, it's like probably about the highest quality balsa wood you can buy. Hardware, a remote, and a wall mount. Those are always important. Controller. I was hoping to use that same bobble up there, but I don't know if there's enough space for the controller. If that's the same size as the one up there, we can use the one up there. There's not really much to this thing. Let's go up and see if this looks the same, because these things always slide into like there. No, so I gotta put this one up. I'm guessing the hex drive in here is an 8. Oh. I did have a pocket full of sunshine if that one didn't work. I mean, other ones. It's narrower. Well, is that a problem? Because this can be balls the same size, so that's a good sign. Key is, will this tighten onto there? I'm pretty sure it will. Oh yeah, it's gonna be fine. I want to at least spray paint this black. So give me a second, I'm gonna turn this black. It is now getting dark outside, but I have a black pole. This wire is not long enough to go through said black pole, so we're going to wire it. Key is just to keep these colors in sync. See, black pole, son, won't you come? We've got that connected, and now we need to, okay. Now what I'm gonna do, this came off the other end, so I'm gonna chop this and wire it to the other end of that pole. You don't need to watch this because this is terrible. Giant fan pole made. And now I gotta get it up there. This just hangs there. Why aren't you fitting in there? Okay. So first, all the grounds go together. And this plugs into here. Black to black. This happens a lot. The blacks get painted and they're white. There we go, there we go. Because this has got to come up. You got the pole and the head. That's where the blades go. I'm going to dismantle the top of the scaffolding so then I can stand up there and put the blades on. Last little step, I gotta put the blades on. I dropped a screw down there somewhere, near the rolly thing probably.
You're not building, you put in the thing. You're covering it.
Oh, that got it. Okay, just 4 flopping more. All right, so look, metal thing, metal thing. I'm gonna turn you upside down and hopefully you're aimed at something. Last one. As long as I don't drop a screw, I won't have to yell for my son again. Oh, actually that worked out better. Probably because it only really had one little place to seat. And then finishing touch is this little cap. Imagine what that does is slowly loosen over time. There we go. And that is how you install that fan. All right, let's see if this thing works. Okay. Do you have to turn it on with this? Oh my God. Oh, there it goes. Ooh, that's fast. That's quiet. Let's crank it all the way up. There we go. Turn it up and take this thing apart. And there we go. We now have a nice functioning, and it's quiet, I like it, fan, and I still have a pile of 2x4s. So this project was basically free.